Okay, so for our next uh, challenge or attack, which is unrestricted resource consumption, and this is quite unique attack or a quite unique challenges. Why? Because there are a lot of different things which we can do in order to perform this vulnerability. Okay, there are a lot of information which is present in this OWASP application. I will not gonna cover everything, but let's say I will give the small example like what are the different attacks which fall under this category. For example, let's say I have a endpoint. So uh, it is a file upload endpoint. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to upload a very huge file in the application so that the application will gonna take couple of minutes in order to process the uploaded file and to render that file properly to the user. There might be a scenario that it might crash the application, so that is one type of attack which will fall under unrestricted resource consumption. There are other examples as well, such as I'll have to attack on the application in such a way by using a particular endpoint so that the application will gonna start consuming the CPU as well as memory resources of the hosting server, not the client's system. Okay, so that will be another scenario which will fall under unrestricted resource consumption. Or else, let's take another example. Suppose I have the SMS verification or send SMS kind of a API endpoint, and the application owner has to send some XYZ amount. Application owner has to spend XYZ amount in order to send a single SMS. In that case, what the attackers can do, attackers can utilize that endpoint to send hundreds of thousands of SMS to different phone numbers or to a single phone number. In that way, what attackers will gonna do, attackers will gonna make the application owner to pay quite a huge amount for those SMSs. So these were all the couple of scenarios which, or else I can say these were all the couple of vulnerabilities which will falls under which will fall under this unrestricted resource consumption vulnerability. In order to exploit this scenario which we have in vulnerable API application, over here what I have to do, I'll have to customize my own profile. So let's check what all are the different functionalities or options we have in our profile section. I'll head back to Postman and let's say profile. I have the get profile. Let's check it out. Send, and okay, this was the score which I updated earlier on, and this much information is there. What about the upload profile? Let's check. No files were uploaded, so that means one of the scenario is present over here where we have to upload a file. Let's do that. Let me first create a huge number of file, not a huge number of file but a file with a huge size, and then I will try to upload that file over here. I don't know the command honestly. What I will do, I will head back to duck.ai. This is quite sophisticated AI model provided by not the AI model but the AI application provided by DuckDuckGo. I think I'll have to do it again. Duck.ai, and this time I'll have to agree and continue. Okay, so command to create, let's say 50 MB of it should be JPEG. I'm not sure. Let's say it was JPG. Okay, 50 MB of JPG file using terminal. Just ignore my background voice. There are a couple of things which are out of my hand, so unfortunately I'll have to ignore it. I will copy this, start my terminal, and paste it over here. So like this. Okay, random.jpg, and If I use exif tool on this random.jpg, the file size is 52 MB. Perfect. Let's try to upload it. And this was the file random.jpg. Open, and let's send this request. What is exactly happening? Let me check this. Okay, and my file got uploaded successfully, and here we are. We got the flag. Okay,